Hey drone lovers! Today we're talking about two amazing drones, the Holy Stone HS900 and the Holy Stone HS175G. One is a power beast, the other a smart traveler. Let's see which one wins this ultimate drone showdown. And yeah, stay tuned till the end, I've got a surprise waiting for you. This drone is like the Iron Man of the drone world. It weighs just 249 grams, so no FAA registration needed. Totally hassle-free flying. It's got a 48MP Sony sensor, 4K video recording, and a 3-axis brushless gimbal, meaning your shots are smoother than your morning coffee. With a 20,000 feet transmission range, this thing can fly farther than your Wi-Fi signal. And the battery charges in just about an hour, so you're always ready for takeoff. If you're a content creator or a pro videographer, this drone will take your footage to the next level. Where you shot something cool with a drone? What's your favorite drone shot? Drop it in the comments below. Now let's talk about the traveler's choice, the HS175G. This one's compact, foldable, and super smart. It's got a 4K EIS camera, so your videos stay stable even if your hands don't. Smile. The GPS plus optical flow keeps it rock solid in windy conditions. It comes with 2 batteries, giving you up to 60 minutes of flight time. That's more airtime than your favorite Netflix show. Perfect for beginners with features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing. Guess what? It weighs less than 250 grams, so you can carry it anywhere, even in your wife's shopping bag. But don't tell her I said that. Oh, which drone do you think is better for beginners, HS900 or HS175G? Cast your vote below. Airplane button. Both drones are absolute legends, but here's the real deal. If you want pro-level cinematics, go for the HS900. If you want a lightweight, travel-friendly drone, the HS175G is your pick. Let's just say the HS900 will make you fly high, and the HS175G will fly along with you. So guys, which one did you like most? Tell me in the comments below. And if you want to buy one, check out the purchase link in the description. Just click and grab your dream drone. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hit the bell icon so you never miss our next exciting tech video.